Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Welcome to the third lesson. Today we will learn the further forms in the book أمثلة. In the first two videos we learned the first five forms. الفعل الماضي نصر, he helped. الفعل المضارع ينصر, he's helping or he helps. مصدر غير ميمي نصرا, helping or to help. اسم فاعل ناصر, the helper. And اسم مفعول منصور, the one who's helped, the helped person. In today's video we will learn the next five forms. Let it be mentioned beforehand, all forms in this video have to do with the الفعل المضارع form. Outwardly they look like الفعل المضارع, but of course they have different meanings. The name of the next form is الفعل المضارع جهة مطلق. The form we will use is لم ينصر, and it means he did not help. Again, a person that is mufrad, and مذكر meaning a male person, and غائب meaning a person with whom we are not involved in the conversation. That is a third person. لم ينصر, he did not help. Basically, this form is exactly the opposite of الفعل الماضي. That is of نصر, because نصر means he helped, and lam yansur means he did not help. This lam here is a harf. As we mentioned in the first video, all words in Arabic are divided into three categories: nouns, verbs, and particles. Lam is a particle, it appears before words and gives them a different meaning, and that is exactly the case here. Lam is a harf and gives the mudari form, i.e. yansuru, a past tense meaning. So lam yansur then means he did not help. The form is ma'loom, meaning we know that a person did not help. So it is not majhul, it is not unknown who helped. So mutlaq in this case means that absolutely no help took place. We also had other examples like kataba, he wrote, yaktubu, he's writing or he writes. So this one would be lam yaktub, he did not write. Or we had hakama, he judged, yahkumu, he's judging right now or he judged. Lam yahkum, he did not judge. That was our sixth form. Now we come to our seventh form. The name of the form is الفعل المضارع جهة مستغرق. This form begins in the past and continues up to now. So when we use this form, we want to say he has not helped until now. That is, he has not helped yet. لما ينصر, he has not helped yet. There's a possibility that he may still help, but up to this point it has not happened. The word مستغرق refers to a time period that continues up to the present moment. While the first pattern لم ينصر represents simple past negation, this pattern emphasizes that the action has not happened up to now. لما يكتب would then mean he has not written yet, or a judge. لما يحكم, he has not judged yet. Our next form is الفعل المضارع نفي حال. The form itself is ما ينصر. It is exactly like ينصر, but a ما is added. And in terms of meaning, it is exactly the opposite of yansuru. Yansuru means he is helping right now, and ma yansuru means he is not helping right now. So at this moment in the present, he is not busy helping. The verb keeps its normal form. So yansuru and only a ma comes before it, which is also a particle. Yaktubu, he's writing right now. Ma yaktubu, he's not writing right now. Or yahkumu, he's judging right now. Ma yahkumu, he's not judging right now. Our next form is الفعل المضارع نفي استقبال. Again we see الفعل المضارع نفي استقبال means the negation of the future. So when we say لا ينصر, then we know he will not help. لا يكتب, he will not write. يحكم, he is judging right now. لا يحكم, he will not judge. And now we come to our last form. الفعل المضارع تأكيد نفي استقبال. So it is the intensified form of the previous form. That means our form in this case would be لن ينصر. لن is a particle that expresses an emphatic negation of the future. So لن ينصر can be translated in the following way: he will certainly not help. We know 100% that the help will not happen, and we are absolutely sure. لن يكتب, for example, he has suffered an injury, he will not be able to write the essay. لن يكتب, he will certainly not write. يحكم, he is judging right now. لن يحكم, for example, the judge will absolutely not rule today, because, for example, he will not appear today. For some reason, he will not be able to judge. Then we can use this form when we are absolutely certain that an action will not take place. These were our 5 forms of الفعل المضارع. I have created a PDF with 100 different examples covering these 5 forms. With it you can better understand what you have learned and expand your vocabulary directly. If you'd like to get this PDF, just write in the comments and I'll reply with what you need to do. If you'd like to join my online Arabic lessons, you can also leave a comment and I will let you know what to do. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, I would be very happy about the subscription, comments, a like and sharing on WhatsApp. Assalamu alaikum.